When we start a home design, we typically begin by drawing the exterior walls to create the basic exterior shape. We'll select the wall tool, then holding down the left mouse button, drag and then release the button when your wall is about the length that you want it to be. You will notice as you draw the wall, a temporary dimension is displayed to help you determine the length of the wall you are drawing. When you finish drawing the wall, the temporary dimension then disappears. Don't be too concerned about the dimensions or getting your room sizes exact, because later we'll show you how automatic dimensions can quickly help you. You might be tempted to leave spaces for doors and windows as you draw, but you don't need to do that because the program will automatically create openings when we place those items. As we continue drawing our exterior walls, it's a good idea to draw the walls in a clockwise fashion so the siding is facing to the exterior. When you are finished drawing your walls, you can start moving them around. Click on a wall and simply drag it to where you want it. Now to create the interior walls, we'll use the Interior Wall tool and draw them in the same manner. Let's take a quick 3D view to see what our design looks like so far. This dollhouse overview shows a good perspective of the shapes of the rooms we just created. For information on dimensions, please watch the Dimensions video.